Hey everybody, get happy, it's time for line graphs. Yay! Okay, here's a tutorial about how to make a line graph in Excel. So we've done this before and we put our values going horizontal this way. So we had what was going to be on our x-axis over here, and we had values underneath, and that's perfectly fine. You could do it that way if you want, but I'm going to now show you how to start a little differently. Let me clear the contents. So we're going to put the values going vertically, but when it makes our graph, it is still going to make it right. That's great. So in the A column, columns go vertical up and down, we're going to put the labels or the values that are going to be along the bottom or the x-axis of our graph. I'm just going to make some up now. And then in the B column, up and down, we're going to put the values that would be indicated by the y-axis or the vertical up and down axis. So let's say some other made-up ones. Okay, so when you have all your values, it's time to use the chart wizard and make the graph. So we're going to go up here to Insert. Click that. Then we're going to highlight all the data. So to do that, you click on one cell in the corner, hold the button down, left button, and drag it over till everything is highlighted. Go up here to Line, where it says Chart. Pick the first one on the top left. So upper left hand corner, click that, and look, magically a line graph appears. This I don't like, we don't need. You're going to right click that and delete. But we are still missing some things. I don't have a title, which is needed in a line graph, and I don't have labels to tell me what these axes are. I know that these are months, but I should still have a label that says month of the year or something. And these, I have no idea. This could be temperature, this could be how many books sold, pepperonis on a pizza, I don't know. So we're going to go here where it says Chart Layouts. You're going to scroll down until you find, where's the one I'm looking for? Oh, this one. So on my version of Excel, it's the last one, bottom left, but on the version you're using in the computer lab, I don't know. Look for the one that has a shaded space at the bottom. That's going to be a label for your x-axis. A shaded space on the left. That's going to be a label for your y-axis. And a shaded space on the top for a title. Then when you click it, you have all these things. This came back. We're going to get rid of it again. Make a title. Now, if you're going to be printing something for me, whatever your title is, I'll call this Super Graph. Put your name just in the title. This is not what you would usually do, but if you print these out, I want to know who made it. So just put your name there too. Now, the title for your actual graph has to actually have to do with the graph. So this is just an example. Let's say that this would be temperature. And even though this is sideways, I'm just typing like it was horizontal. In degrees Fahrenheit. We'll use that for Fahrenheit. And we'll say these are, gee, I don't know, how about months of the year? Oops. And this pesky thing, let's right click this and destroy it again. And there we go. You have created a line graph. The scale is made in uniform increments. That means the size between each space is the same. And everything looks good. You don't have lines, vertical lines going up and down here like you usually do on a graph that you create by hand. But that's not necessary. There are also ways that you can put that in here with Excel, but I'm not going to put it in the video today. And should be pretty simple. Watch this video as many times as it takes, and you'll have probably some sort of artifact or thing that you can give to me, like make a graph and print out after you watch that, and it should be really, really nice. Okay, enjoy your day.